Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're new here, you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe, join the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So for today we are going to be tying a net turban material. We are going to be using net to tie this particular turban. It's very easy guys, so don't worry, let's get started. So starting off, I'm going to be making sure her edges are well laid. After laying her edges, I'm going to be using the material, this net material. You can get it anywhere. You can buy this. Is I think a yard is just 300 naira. Yeah, so you can just I'm using a 2-yard net material. I'll be placing that on the back of her head, bringing it to the front. If you like, you can start it from the front, but I want the front part of the net to be a V-shaped hair tie. So I'm going to be bringing that down. Can you see? It's a 50-50 pad gilly. So I just placed it on her head, twisted it round, and then asked her to hold that down. I'll be making sure I hold it tightly. This net material, you have to be very, very careful. You have to make sure it's firm. Can you see how I'm drawing that? But still it's going to lose. Boom, just went off. And can you see that? So I just moved on, and I'm going to tie that down like this. And after I'm done, I'll be pushing that down inside. Don't worry, it's firm, it's not going to lose. Then I'll be bringing the other part of the turban, like the other hand I asked her to hold. I'll be bringing that down to the front like this. Don't worry, the rough part of the turban, I'll be using the lace detail you saw on my previous video. And yes, if you haven't checked out how we did her makeup, I'll be leaving a link down below on the description box. Can you see that? I'll just be using an office pin to hold that down. Yeah, and it stays perfectly. Who loves this turban? Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment. You can make your suggestions down below. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.